guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to devein shrimp. Now, there's nothing more annoying sometimes than when you have shrimp that is not deveined. Now, I have to tell you a true story. I got this from a friend of mine who purchased shrimp, and she had so much excess that she decided to share with me. So today I decided let's share this with you to let you guys know how to devein shrimp in case you ever had to buy shrimp that's not deveined. Now you want to have a sharp knife, not too sharp because you want to make sure that you won't hurt yourself as well. Now take a look. I've already started the process and I just did one. Now here goes another one. So first remove the shell from your shrimp, just like I'm doing here. And be gentle because sometimes we can actually rip the tail part, and that's what I actually did here. Now if you notice, the vein actually came out of this particular shrimp that I'm doing now. It came out along with the tail, if you caught that. Now I'm going to show you another one. Let's do it again so you could get a better look at how to do this. Now remove the shell. After you've removed the shell, now you want to get your knife again. Okay. Now run the knife along the back of the shrimp just like this. And there goes that vein that you're looking for. Remove it. Just like so. And there you go. You're all done. Continue this process for the rest of your shrimp.